No tree too tall, no job too small. Lim Walker Tree Service, 725-203-6660.
District Court Judge Kim Wanker has set a trial date for the 3 murder suspects accused of the torture and murder of 27-year-old Roy Jaggers in Cathedral Canyon on August 1st of 2021. The suspects and several attorneys attended today's hearing. Attorney Judd, who is new to the case, said he needs a few months to get up to speed. Wanker was unhappy this morning about how the district attorney's office is running and how she says the paperwork once again is not done correctly. Several attorneys did not show up for court hearings. Attorney Andrew Coates was said not to have been attending because he had not received a check from the county. Judge Wanker voiced her opinion. She also said that she has asked the county to attend the hearings to hear what the issues are happening inside the courtroom.
I've got some problems with some of the guilty plea agreements because last time we had a big discussion by the DA's office where if they could plead guilty but they couldn't plead no contest or no contendere, and we're going to take that issue up to the Supreme Court.
Coates, I heard that he's not coming from right now. Nye County's failed to pay him for his new contract. He's been working for free. He's very upset.
He called my staff and complained that he hadn't been paid. I have nothing to do with, I'm the district court, I'm the state court system, and I have nothing to do with his payment. You know, quite frankly, that's a breach of contract. He needs to be here, whether he's getting, you know, it's like this. Until the court allows you to withdraw from a case, you're expected to be here. And that says volumes to me about Mr. Coates. I'm not getting paid, therefore I'm not going to show up. I mean, come on.
Mr. George is referring to me that apparently he resolved it and that kind of cut a check, so maybe he should be here. Regardless, on top of your argument, he has no argument. He got his check, Judge.
Hey, is there anybody here from Nye County? I've asked Nye County to come and observe the public defenders because they vote on them, and maybe if they were here and they...
It's a crisis.
Brad Main, Kevin Dent, and Heather Pate are accused of killing Jaggers after they allegedly tortured him for hours with a blowtorch, axe, knives, a baton, and other implements before he was forced to strip down naked and walk off a cliff in Cathedral Canyon south of Pahrump before shooting him to death. At the end of today's court hearing, the judge and their attorneys decided on May 1st of 2023 for a court date set for 2 weeks for a trial. Former Chief Deputy District Attorney Kirk Vito is no longer on the case as he currently took his seat as Justice of the Peace here in Pahrump's Justice Court. Attorney Jason Earnest added in court today that this case may go quicker than Vito's originally scheduled 4 weeks because Vito would have brought more witnesses forward and the trial would have been much longer. Attorney Tom Gibson is attempting to have Nye County Sheriff's Office Captain David Brookwitz deemed a Brady cop and unable to testify in court. Gibson asked the judge if he could present the evidence at that time in May to the court, and she agreed that she would hear it. Captain Brookwitz was at the scene of this murder investigation. Wanker agreed to hear that motion on May 1st.